how to reset your memorable information on Lloyds Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your memorable information on Lloyds Bank. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser of your preference and in the web address bar, simply type in lloydsbank.com. Now once you're taken to the official homepage of Lloyds Bank, tap on the login option on the top right corner of your screen and choose whether you have a personal or a business account. So in my case, I'll simply choose my personal account. Then if you remember your details, you can enter your user ID, your password and tap on the option continue. But since you do not know your details and you want to change your memorable information, tap on the option forgot your logon details. And then you will be able to choose one of these options. So you can either change your password, change your memorable information, or you can also change both. Now since we're here to change our memorable information, we'll tap on the second option, which is change your memorable information. Tap on the option next. After that, if you know your user ID, select the option yes and then enter your user ID, your first name, your last name, your date of birth, and then tap on the option continue. But in case you do not know your user ID, tap on the option no. Then you'll have to select your account type. It can be current, saving account, credit account, loan, mortgage, share dealing, home insurance. Then enter your account number, sort code, first name, last name, date of birth, and tap on the option continue. Now once you've done that, you will be able to change your memorable information. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.